Welcome to this video on the DNA air fryer oven. The air fryer oven is very unique in that it has 7 appliances built into one. It is an air fryer, an oven, a dehydrator, a rotisserie, a grill, a toaster and a reheater. It has a stainless steel casing, tempered glass digital control panel, includes all the accessories on the table, has 1700 watts of power, has a temperature range of between 40 degrees and 220 degrees, and has a 2-year warranty on the entire product. Let's have a look at some of the features on the control panel. Switch on the air fryer. You'll use the menu function to scroll between the different functions. You have chicken, fish, steak, French fries, pizza, vegetables, wings, keep warm, bake, toast, dehydrate, shellfish, skewer, cookie, popcorn and defrost. As an example, we choose the fish function. You can also change between the temperature. You can add temperature and deduct temperature. You can change the time if you need to. You can turn bottom heating on and off. Top heating you can turn on and off. You have the rotisserie function which you can turn on and off, and you have the preset function to delay the start time. So that was the control panel. Let's have a look at some of the accessories that are included with the air fryer oven. You have a drip tray which is inserted below the heating element. There's a wire rack included. There's a mesh rack. There are 2 mesh baskets. So note all the different layers. You will receive a frying basket, which you may be used to with your conventional air fryer. You have the frying pan. You will receive the cake pan for making homemade bread and cake. The high rack to suspend the cake pan. The rolling cage, which is great for chicken nuggets or prawns or popcorn, anything that needs to be enclosed. We've got the cage tongue to remove the rolling cage in case it is slightly hot. The wall bracket is inserted at the back of the machine to ensure there's enough gap between the air fryer oven and your wall to allow new air to come in and old air to go out. You'll receive the rotisserie fork, which will turn if you switch on the rotisserie function. So great for that big full roast chicken. You'll receive a user manual, instruction manual, which will give you the guideline and the breakdown on how to use the appliance and how to use all the accessories. So that concludes the accessories received with the air fryer oven. You may ask, what's the benefit, what's the purpose of an air fryer oven? Number 1, you will save 50% electricity because no preheating like your traditional convection oven. You will save time, once again, because you don't have the 15 to 20 minutes of preheating like the traditional convection oven. You will save on fat, eliminate fat, because you don't have to pan fry and add butter and oil when you're cooking and roasting and grilling. So a much healthier option than your conventional pan frying. You will also get 14.5 liters capacity, so great for family-sized meals and family-sized cooking. So all in all, great innovation from DNA and lots of benefits, lots of accessories included on the DNA air fryer oven. Until next time, DNA, a younger you. Bye bye.